Today I'm washing a rug that somebody's dog had a few accidents on. This works much like a washing machine. We'll let it sit until I know I have all the contaminants out of it, and we'll pull it out, suck all the water out, tack it down on a blocking table so it dries nice and flat, deliver it back to the client. This is the same rug, it's being extracted. You can see we got very little water coming through now, so it's almost ready to go to the drying table. This is the same rug that we just marinated and then had on the rug sucker. This is now groomed and ready to go on the drying station. This is a very nice, well-made, machine-made rug. It's a Karastan.